Hey guys, it's Ken. How you doing? Greetings from Walt Disney World, Animal Kingdom. Gotta check out Pandora. For the longest time there was a wall right there over that bridge, before the bridge. All we could do is peek over and see what's happening through the wall or from the parking lot. Now we actually get to go inside, see what it looks like. So let's go check out Pandora. Okay, I've barely gotten across the bridge and I can already tell this is a part of the park that you're going to want to take your time. The attention to detail already, walking just across that bridge is amazing. I can't wait to check out the rest of it. Like these things behind me. Honestly, my little camera phone here does not at all compare to what it is like to be standing right underneath these giant floating mountains. Pretty cool. Hoping you can see it, but I like how they have this organic sculpture right here of a banshee to mark the entrance to the Flight of Passage, which is right back here. Pretty cool sculpture. I think one of the best parts about walking around the nature areas and looking at the plants is trying to decide which are real and which are not. They do such a great job of blending in the native Pandora plants, ones that are obviously fiction, with the ones that are here that naturally bloom and grow in Florida. Pretty cool. Even the gift shop is impressive. Look at all that. That gift shop was so impressive. Not just because of the stuff they were selling, but somebody had to hand weave all those things dangling from the ceiling and all that art, all that sculpted art. Very, very impressive. I have to admit that I'm late to the Pandora thing. When the movie first came out, I didn't go see it. I'm not sure why. It just didn't interest me at the time. It wasn't until they began building this land that I said, hey, I should go check it out. And I love it. I'm sad I missed out on something, but I got to see it, catch up on things that are happening in the world of Pandora, and I loved it. Now to be walking around in this land is very, very impressive. I love this. How it looks like these old decayed ruins are being overtaken by nature. There's a lot of this tucked here and there. Again, attention to all kinds of great details. And I just wonder if it was this warm, if it was this humid in Pandora. Possibly, because we're in Florida. So let's go find a cocktail, something to cool off with. Good. Try that. I'm not sure about the humidity, but man, the AC sure works good here. I'm sitting in the cantina. I bought this and a thing called Pangu Pangu. It's a grog ale. Let's try it. It's good. I was hoping to ride the rides, the 2 rides that are in this land, but one of them is a 2-hour wait. The other one is a 2.5-hour wait, and it's not even working right now. So technical difficulties, it's down, but the queue to get in, a ride that's not even working yet, is over 2 hours. So no rides today. I have the entire summer to explore. But before we leave here today and I polish off my grog ale, take a look at this cantina. This place just keeps going with the artistry and the creativity. Absolutely spectacular. These little areas in here have artifacts and describing what they are, almost like you're in a museum. I know, I keep harping on that attention to details, the little details that I love so much. For example, the cantina I just came from, it actually looks like an old rusted out abandoned bunker or some kind of a hangar that was taken over by nature and reinforced by nature. For example, this pillar right here, it looks like it's mud and pebbles and sticks and bamboo but it's not. It's actually very sturdy to hold up this rooftop here, but it's made to look like you're in the elements, so I love that. So wish you guys well. Thank you for watching and tuning in, all that fun stuff. We're gonna come back again later on in the summer at night, because from what I understand, this entire land wakes up. The bioluminescence is a completely different experience at night, so I'm not going to be here today for that experience, but I will come back later at a later time and bring you guys along for the ride. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.